Well, welcome back. It's been a bit slow for me in terms of putting videos up, and I've been a bit busy doing other things, and I've also been trying to get set up with some new equipment. So you saw the motorbike lift in the last video, and this one is a new lathe, which is quite a significant purchase, and it will allow me to do some more machining, obviously, and take the work I do to the next level. So as a bit of background, I actually started as a maintenance fitter or fitter and turner years ago. So I was a turner for about 10 years. This is quite a good lathe. It's from Taiwan. The model numbers are AL1000D, so it's a 3-phase unit. Has metric and imperial screw cutting, 3 and 4 jaw chuck, and basically everything you need to do the custom work that I do. I paid a bit extra to get the quick change post here. It's got a DRO as well as obviously metric and imperial increments on the slides. It's got a steady, a couple of steadies. You can see the machining on these is really good, so you get what you pay for. The Chinese lathes look similar, but when you look really closely and you see how they perform, they're just not up to the same standard as the Taiwanese lathe. So it's a very nice lathe. Thought I'd just do a quick share on it. Would I recommend this for somebody as a handyman? Probably not. This is a precision type lathe. Unless you have experience with lathes and machining, I think this would be at a level and would have facilities on it that you just wouldn't use for typical handyman type work. I would recommend starting on something a bit smaller. But if you have had a lathe before and you want to take your work to the next level, I think this is an excellent lathe. So anyway, I thought I'd do a quick share. Expect to see a lot more projects coming on now that I've got set up with the motorbike lift and the lathe. So I'll get some machining done, and you will see far more videos. Here's the DRO. I just plugged it in for the first time. DRO's got X and Y axis. I haven't figured out exactly how to use it yet, but because when I started my trade, DROs were just coming in, so I didn't really get to use those in the workplace. It's got a jog control, it's got a foot brake, it's got forward and reverse, 3 jaw, 4 jaw chuck, you know, all the standard stuff. Has got a guard here. When I was a fitter, didn't have guards, so you know, that one looks okay. We'll see how it goes. It won't actually operate unless the guard's down, but it's, you know, it's not hard to take off, but I'll probably try to leave it on as that's what it's there for safety. I need to level it out a bit and make sure it's stable. And the first project I'll be doing is on the XJ650 to finish off the front end. I need to make a couple of washers. And also I've got some mag wheels for the Mozuki, so I need to machine up some hubs, and I'll be able to do that now as well. So stay tuned, expect some more videos soon, and I'll see you in the next video.